And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a washed out black and white photo filter in Adobe Photoshop. Here's our original. I'm going to copy that pressing Ctrl J, and then I right click and convert it to a smart object. First step is we'll add some noise, so go to filter, noise and add noise. The amount depends a little bit on the image that you're using. I use around 15 here. Click on OK. Then open a new layer, then go to filter, render fibers. I want to zoom out. Just check out the strength first. I want to set it to 1. The more you crank it up, the harsher it gets. For vibrance, you can see that you add kind of these black brownish dirt fibers. I'll go down to 1 as well for variance. And then click on randomize until I've got something that's almost completely white. Click on OK and then change the blending mode for this layer. Zoom multiply. And I want to go down with the opacity as it's a little bit too much washed out. Around 20, maybe 30%. That should be good value here. The next step is to make it black and white, and we'll use an adjustment layer for that. I use the default preset, and then I go a little bit down with the reds. You can also adjust the other colors if you want to, depending on the image that you're using. I'll add another adjustment layer, levels, and I'll make it a bit darker with the mid slider. And it should be fine. Final step is we can add a vignette. Just go back to the image that we've copied, then go to filter, lens correction, click on custom, and there's the vignette. Go down with the amount to darken it, and I go down with the midpoint as well. And this is it. Let us compare to the original. And this is how you can create this washed out black and white photo filter in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.